I'll try to attend these more often. I really will, because I think it's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, being
All
there.
Good talking to you guys. Good luck, everybody. Bye-bye.
There you go. That's literally straight from the horse's mouth. All right, I just wanted to show you guys the scored credit report spreadsheet that we actually have as a tool for our CCCs to use. And like I was saying earlier in the presentation, this is the percentage chance of removal, and this is how many trade lines are at the 30% chance of removal. And you'll see as this goes down, we actually will put them all in there, 2 at 50, 10 at 70, and 1 at 80. So this client has a total of 15 negative trade lines. And down here you're going to see the price. And the client, this is attached to the credit report, so the client is going to get a copy of this as well. The total cost, just for the trade lines, okay? And if the client wishes, we can actually offer them a 3-payment plan. Now, in the first payment, there is a $50 processing fee that we include in the first payment. So right here, it's all laid out for the client and for the CCC. They make a first payment to get started, and what happens is they can come in and they can pick up their letters from the secured website. They can download them, and they can start their credit repair disputing process immediately. Here's some of the information that we include about the credit report, and this section will actually grow bigger as we begin to evaluate credit reports based on what extra services the client may qualify for, the loan mod, the debt settlement. It's interesting that you can kind of see all this stuff about clients when you look at credit reports, begin to read them. Now, the credit reports that we provide at Credit to Services, they cost the client $35. They are a tri-merge bank quality credit report, the same kind of credit report that you would get if you walked in and applied for a mortgage. And they always put some valuable information right on the credit report. They circle the score, and then what they do is they identify some different things on this credit report. And one of the things they identify is the credit cards that are charged above 40%. Now, when you have a $100 limit on your credit card and you have it charged at $41, you are losing points of credit every month for it being over 40%. We call that the LTV. What they do in the home office is they evaluate the credit limit against the balance, and they actually will put that number on the left-hand side, and they write this number in here. This is actually the target number to get these credit cards below the 40% loan to value, which is really important if you want to increase your credit score. So this is a guideline for clients. Of course, it's highly suggested, and it's also one of the qualifications for our money-back guarantee. The 100% money-back guarantee offers the clients their money back if we don't increase their credit score. Now, there are certain provisions included with that, and one of them is that the client has to have those credit card balances below the 40%. Because if they're over the 40% and the client is losing money, then we really can't help them increase their credit score. Another thing is that they have to dispute all of their negative trade lines. Now, typically, a client does not have to. It's not Credit Justice Services requirement that you dispute all of the trade lines, but if you want to qualify for the money-back guarantee, you will want to do that. You have to keep all your credit lines below 40%. You cannot have any new derogatory accounts, collections, or public records show up on your credit report. If that's happening during your makeover, there's no way we can increase your score. You have to pay everything on time. Okay, extra lates on your credit report aren't going to increase your score either. They're going to lower it. And you have to adhere to the timeline of the 75-day makeover. So you basically have to be participating in the makeover pretty actively. But, you know, if a client qualifies for all of that and we don't help them, we will refund their money. So that is the, and then as we go on to the credit report, you know, they identify the actual trade lines and what percentage chance of removal. And we do this so that you can sit with the client and explain to them exactly what's on here. These are lates. Okay, they have a 30% chance of coming off. This is a revolving line of credit, which means it's a credit card. You know, these are the type of things that I sit and explain to the client because they purchased this credit report and I want them to understand it. And also, my service that I'm offering them is based on this tool. So this is one of the tools that we offer here at Credit Justice Services, which makes it really easy for anyone to do this business. We have everything you need. Now, if you happen to be in an industry where you have access to credit reports and you want them to get scored like this one is scored, you can actually submit it to our home office and we will score it free of charge. So that's another neat thing that we do. We'll do a free evaluation of the credit report that you already have, as long as it's tri-merge bank quality. I just want to log in real quick and show everyone the back office section of our marketing section before we end. This has been a great webinar. What we offer in the back office marketing section is just the templates that you need in order to start your business. And I literally started my business on computer printed business cards. I just went out and bought those perforated ones at Staples, and I literally went in here. I entered my personal information into this templates, and I downloaded and printed it right from home. And it was enough to get me started because I just wanted to get the word out that I was involved in this business, and it's so easy. I mean, you just basically type in there and you're ready to get started. Some other things that we offer in the marketing section is some brochures and some flyers and some thank you cards. We've had some people have really good results with car magnets and road signs, you know, signs that you put at intersections where cars stop. And so there's a lot of tools here to help you be a success at this business. Another thing that we want to talk about, Valeria, do you just want to briefly mention that we're updating the website, and that is a work in progress, and we're just making it better and better for people to use the back section of the website?
Yes, Magna, we are actually improving a lot. We are redoing the whole marketing website section of CJS, and we're going to have a lot more stuff for you guys. There are a lot of people that came up with some great ideas that everybody can use too. So we believe in sharing all the information that we have so we become a stronger community. And so we are creating this whole new revamped marketing website. So I'm very excited about that, actually, Meg. And also what we're working on at CJS is we are going to implement a section into our website, into the university. Actually, yesterday we had a new link that we added. That's the Fast Start, right, Meg?
Here it is. Oh,